welcome everybody inside my kitchen. I'm Chef Leti, the executive pastry chef of Untitled Colleges. So today I will show you how to make a simple birthday cake without any special equipment. Okay, we're gonna make a Mille Crepes cake. So I don't know if you're familiar with this cake made of layers of crepe. And inside this birthday cake, I'm just gonna put a simple banana filling because as you can see, I have a lot of banana, extra banana, and we're gonna do just a simple milk chocolate ganache. Are you ready? Let's go! To make a chocolate ganache, it's really simple. You just must boil the cream. When the cream is boiling, you just pour it on the top of your milk chocolate and you just mix everything together until you obtain this kind of smooth and super shiny consistency. So, me, I'm using Oro milk chocolate, but feel free to use whatever brand that you have at home, and even if you don't have milk chocolate, feel free to use dark chocolate. Right now the ganache, I will put it inside the fridge during 2 to 3 hours, but if you're a little bit on the rush, feel free to put it inside your freezer during few minutes or even hours. I don't know how your freezer is working, but please be careful of the consistency. We don't want to have a frozen ganache. For the banana filling, you just need to put everything inside the saucepan. If you don't want to use rum, you don't need to use rum. Me, in my case, I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use whatever kind of sugar that you want. The objective is to have, after this kind of banana texture, okay, it's like a banana compote. So you just mix it and you just cook it for a few minutes, let's say 2 to 3 minutes. And now we're just gonna crush it to have a really like smooth banana filling. Okay, so I put my banana inside a freezer bag, inside a sandwich bag, and with a rolling pin or with a wine bottle or hard bottle, I just crushed the banana to really have this kind of consistency. And this banana filling, I'm just gonna leave it inside my fridge during few minutes.
About the crepe batter, first you must mix the flour with the milk. You mix it until you have a nice consistency. After, you must add the eggs inside. Right away after adding the eggs and after mixing the eggs inside the preparation, feel free to add the salt, the sugar and the melted butter. When everything is added inside the dough, you must be sure to have no chunks of flour inside this dough. If this happens, feel free to strain your batter.
Okay, so now we show you how we must cook our crepe. So first you must take a saucepan. You just put a little paper tissue and you put a little bit of oil or butter on top of it, just to be sure that the saucepan will be a non-stick saucepan. Now we put it back there and we're gonna do our first crepe. We're just gonna put a little bit of crepe batter inside the saucepan. The objective is to have really a thin crepe. So the objective is to don't put too much batter inside the saucepan.
After cooking all your crepe, you must cut them with a ring or with a plate to be sure that they're gonna have all the same size. After, you just must put your first crepe, spread the chocolate ganache on top, put a second crepe, spread the banana filling, and do that until you reach the last crepe. If you want, you can use a ring. Like this, you're gonna have a better result because all the crepe we have exactly the same position and you're really gonna have a perfect tower.
Thank you everybody for watching this video, and I see you soon for new recipes. Bye bye!